Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game server on the Naraka Bladepoint game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Naraka Bladepoint game on your device, and once it is loaded up, before you start your match, within the tap to start screen, if you look at the bottom left corner, you will see the server menu. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now see the list of various different servers that are available and the ping within these servers at the right side as well. The current server that is selected will be highlighted in a white rectangle. Make sure that you choose a server that is at least shown in yellow or green ping. In order to switch, you can simply click on your desired server and it will be changed right away. Once you have selected your desired server, you can start your game and play within this server right away. And in order to switch this in the future, you will need to come back to this homepage and once again click on the bottom left corner. You can then choose your desired server once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change or switch the server on the Naraka Bladepoint game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.